First aid for photographers. This ebook is translated from this Dutch book. I wrote this book last year and it is so successful that I decided to translate it to English also. It is an ebook for beginning photographers. If you want to make sharper photos, if you want to make photos with better exposure, and if you feel very uncertain about which settings to pick, this is the right ebook to buy. I start with the basics. I explain you everything about how to focus in a correct way. I tell you more about how to get the right exposure in any situation. And something unique I didn't find in any photography book before. I describe 45 different subjects to take photos of, and I give you recommended settings to use. And that makes sure you always have a good starting point. And if you end up in a problem, I describe many problems you encounter in photography in this book. And I also explain you why something goes wrong, so you really understand what goes wrong and how you can solve it. Do you want to take better photographs? Buy this ebook.